Right guys, today I want to show you a very powerful Etsy dropshipping store, and one still powerful, but one that you would be able to achieve very quickly. Okay, so to find these stores, I just simply searched handmade rings, right? And when I show you the stores which are actually doing the dropshipping, you're going to be shocked. Okay, in your mind, you always believe Etsy is a place where people are in their garages making this jewelry for themselves, right? You know the TOS says you can't drop ship. However, there is huge stores out there that were built on the drop shipping, business model. So I'm going to show you them, and it's really going to turn your perspective. It's going to change your perspective on what you believe Etsy dropshipping is, right? So this is what I searched: handmade rings, right? And I can guarantee about 80% of the rings we're seeing are drop shipped, okay? So this is one of the products I've got open and we'll have a little look at. I want to just see if the other one shows up on this page. Okay, some really nice products here, right? Really, really nice. But okay, let's take a look. Here we have Burcott's Jewelers, right? Nice branding, but when you get down to it, it's very dropshippy, right? So if we check these out, they have 1.5k sales. It's annoying. Okay. So they've been on the platform for a couple years, right? So look, they've got these nice little rings. You have all these different colors, lovely, different ring sizes, happy customers. Apparently they dispatch from the UK. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Boom. Here they are on Ali, right? So we check them out. We've got all the colors. So this store, 1.5k views, 1.5k sales, star seller, all singing, all dancing, woo woo woo. Etsy loves them. Dropshipping, right? And look, so what, free shipping, 15-day, they're probably paying, I don't know, pay £1.50 for that. Look at that price. They are making what, £23. They're a bit more, £23.50 per sale. Obviously then the fees and whatnot. But see, you now realize that some of these big stores are actually just drop shipping, right? And they're greedy with it too, so look at this. This is the timescale you could get with a private supplier. If I'm in the UK, they're meant to be dispatching from the UK, right? If they were, they could get it to me in like 2 days, right? Okay, it's free delivery. Okay, so let's say they could get it for me by the 31st of May, like the absolute latest, right? But look at that, 6th of June. They've just got a private supplier, So look, that is one powerful store that is doing it. And the next one, I think, might blow your mind, right? So it's this. It's this little ring here. Okay, they dispatch from the UK. They have all their own nice little UGC sort of. Boom, look how lovely. Lovely, they've got their own video. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? Oh, I want to buy that ring now. Look, 14,000 reviews, 111 just on this one. Look at that shipping time. Dispatches from the UK, but it's going to take that long to get to me. Is it? And they charge. Okay. That's a bit strange. Let's actually visit their store. Boom. Boom. Right? And people think you can't dropship on Etsy. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. They've had a sale while I was doing this call. While I was doing this video, sorry. You know, so you got Burcott's with 1.5, small fry. But then look at this. You know. And look. You know, the rings here. Here it is, right? You know. There they are. Oh, they've got their own little UGC. Do you want to know how they're doing this? When they are throwing up tons of products on their store, they're drop shipping them, right? When one starts to do well, they just order it in, yeah? And then they do all their own UGC. It's perfect. Works great. You know? It's what you want to be doing as a drop shipper. And look, you know, 92,000 sales. They've been on the platform 5 years. Apparently they're, you know, based in the UK. But look at that. You know, make it for our makers in Bali in the UK. Yeah, okay. You know what I mean? So, look, that just shows you the power of Etsy dropshipping, right? Don't be scared. Don't be put off. The potential is huge. Okay? So I appreciate your guys' time. I hope you have a lovely day. And I'll catch you in the next one.